So here's something really fascinating. Researchers are calling NAD plus the youth molecule because it essentially powers our cells, maintains DNA repair, and keeps our energy production up.
Yep, right. And it's like, when you get older, those NAD plus levels naturally dip, which tends to be linked with memory issues and muscle weakness, correct?
Exactly. It's like when you gradually lose that spark in your battery.
Mm-hmm.
The decline in NAD plus is a drill down into why our bodies start failing to function properly as we age, contributing to issues like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
Yeah, and I read that there's been quite a collection of clinical trials testing ways to pump up these levels, using things like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide mononucleotide, right?
Absolutely. They're essentially vitamin-like compounds that, according to the review, have shown some promise in boosting NAD plus levels, and in turn, possibly improving memory and movement metrics in early trials.
Right. But isn't there a bit of controversy over all these supplements? I've seen debates on whether what's been seen in animal models actually translates well for humans.
Well, yes, there's definitely a bit of a debate. Some researchers even argue that the commercial supplements are being hyped without enough clarity on optimal dosage or long-term safety. It's
Mm-hmm.
like having a new sports drink that promises miracles, but you're not totally sure about its real impact until more large-scale studies come out.
Interesting analogy. So it's not just about ticking the supplement box, but also um, ensuring that we truly understand individual responses and the right administration routes?
Right on point. The review emphasizes that we need deeper insights into inter-individual variability and the truly optimal dosing. There's a
Yeah.
call for more robust, long-term clinical trials to nail down these vital details.
Hmm. It's fascinating to think that a tiny molecule could have such major implications on aging. But do we think that targeting NAD plus alone is enough to counter complex age related diseases?
That's a fair challenge. While NAD plus is crucial, it is the fuel regulator. It's not the silver bullet for every age-related decline. It's more
Indeed.
about fine-tuning metabolic pathways and cell repair processes, working alongside other treatments and healthy lifestyle interventions.
I see. So while there's potential, it's still an emerging field that needs more rigorous testing and careful adjustments?
Exactly. It's a promising roadmap, but it's also a reminder that biology rarely gives us one-size-fits-all
Absolutely.
solutions. We're essentially in the early chapters of understanding how to harness NAD plus safely and effectively for everyone.
And until those large scale long term studies come in, it's going to be a careful balance between optimism and caution within the research community, right?
Spot on. It's like investing in a new tech startup. You see the potential, but you need to assess the long-term sustainability of the
Yep.
product. More research and collaboration will be crucial to truly unlock the benefits of NAD plus as a treatment target.
Well, this discussion really puts into perspective how a minuscule molecule can reshape our understanding of aging and disease. Truly mind blowing stuff.
It really is. And it shows how detailed clinical science needs to be when translating findings from the bench to bedside.
Mm-hmm.
The journey ahead is challenging, but man, it's exciting to watch it all unfold.
Definitely. Let's keep our eyes peeled for those emerging studies and hope they provide the clarity needed.